In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 Etsy products that are generating $500 per day. And in most cases, it's more than that. Actually, quite a bit more. $700 all the way up to $4,800 per day from one product. And there's one product that I found which blew my mind and is doing $146,000 per month on Etsy. And one of the main reasons I wanted to shoot this video for you is to show you the potential on Etsy. A lot of times we hear about products doing $100 per day or maybe $200 per day, but really $300 profit or $700 in sales per day or all the way up to $4,800 per day. Is it real? Can this really happen? And well, after you see these 5 products, you're going to see that yes, this is possible. The other thing I want you to do is draw inspiration from this. I'm also going to share with you some ideas I have after I found these products of what you potentially could do to build out a product line or what you could do to build out a brand inside of these niches. So I don't know about you, but I'm excited to dig in. So what do you say? Let's dig in. All right. So the first product that I'm looking at is, well, it's a sweatshirt. And you might be saying, well, it's just an ordinary sweatshirt. No, it's something a little bit unique. And that is they are taking a photo and they are putting it on the sweatshirt. But even better than that, they're doing line art, which is basically like a silhouette or the line going around the people that are in the picture. So this is great for anniversaries. It's great for weddings, couples, anything like that. It's going to be good for. And so if I was just doing some research and I saw this, I would be able to say, yeah, that's great. It's got, 20 people have it in their cart, actually 20 plus people. That means it's probably selling very well. But I want to know, is it selling very well and how many are selling? And that's where I use a tool called Everbee. You probably heard me talk about that tool if you've been watching any of my videos. Well, that's the tool that I'm using here today. If you are interested in trying it, I'll give you a little shameless plug here. I am an affiliate for Everbee because I'm a believer in it and I use it every single day. And you can try it for free by going through my link at brandcreators.com/Everbee. I'll drop the link right there and I'll also put it in the description if you want to try it for free. So that is the tool I'm going to be using, and I'm going to go ahead and show you right now what it is delivering to me as far as data. So check this out. This listing has been live for just over a year. It's had 1,996 estimated monthly sales. And then look at this number right here. Total sales in a year, 25,966. That's just craziness. Now, I get excited about this stuff because it shows you the potential. You would never think that just a regular sweatshirt is going to sell for $98,000 worth of product. But it is. But there's a reason why. Because what they did is they took a product that is pretty generic and they made it personalized or customized with a picture with line art. So always be thinking about what you can offer, even if it's a standard product that everyone else is offering. What can you do to create a personalized experience or a personalized product for those people? And that's really where the magic is. All right. So just get ideas from looking at this stuff. I know I already have. So the other thing I always want to do here is see, does this serve a niche? And is there something else that I could provide for this customer? And the answer is, yeah, there are. So as I'm going through this, I'm always thinking, what else could this buyer purchase from us if we had it available? So I did a little bit of digging and I found another product that would go pretty well with this if someone was buying this sweatshirt. So here's a typical generic product, just like the last one. It's a candle. But how could I now use this for something that my potential buyers would also want to buy? So it's a candle. And on the candle, it says, "You are the best thing I've ever found on the internet." Now, we don't know if they found each other on the internet, but if they did, which a lot of people are nowadays, is this would be a great gift. And it doesn't take much to put one of these together. And maybe you have other candles that have other sayings that could pertain to that couple's way of meeting. So there's different ways that we can add these different products on. But check this out. I'm going to go ahead and show you the numbers on this thing. 1,240 monthly sales. Okay, $18,588 in revenue for the month. Total sales, $9,940, and it's only been live for 8 months. So once again, another great product. It's not doing quite $500 per day. Actually, it is doing $500 per day. It's doing more, but it's not doing that in profit. But still, it's a really, really good product. So I wanted to share this with you to show you an additional product. Now, this isn't one of my 5. This is just an extra one, a little bonus for you. All right, next product up is this one right here. And this is a pretty clever little product. And what it is it's a personalized stand for a gamer. So I always talk about niches. Like, do you have a niche or are you just creating a one-off product? This here is serving a specific niche, and that is what? Gamers, which is a huge, massive, multi-billion-dollar industry, and this is a great product for it. Now, you might be saying, well, I don't know how I would create a product like that. Don't worry about that if you're doing research, but I wanted to share this with you for inspiration to show you that you can create products in your niche that are serving a product that might already exist. And that's really what they're doing here. But the really cool thing is, check this out. Not even that they have 20 plus people in their carts right now or have it in their cart. Let's look at the numbers here. We'll run Everbee real quick. And would you look at that? $70,000 monthly revenue, 452 monthly sales, and total sales 4,082, and it's been selling for 9 months. All right, so you can see there's a lot of opportunity here in this space. Now, once again, this is a unique product. It is personalized. So whenever we're looking at products, we want to try to find a way to stand out. And a lot of times that's with customization or personalization. And if you're not yet doing that, I would consider doing it because it's going to separate you from a lot of other sellers that just aren't willing to do it. And then just like the last one, I want to show you, if I was selling that, if I was that brand, what else would I sell them or could I sell them? So I did a little bit of digging, found another product, and I found this one right here. And this is a personalized gamer tag light sign, custom gamer tag sign, personalized streamer, live streamers, or just streamers in general, gamer. It's an LED light. Now, you may not be able to make this yourself, but you probably can find someone else that can. I'm just showing you ideas of what we can do to build off of that one product that we just found. So this is a gamer niche, streamer, all of that stuff, right? So let's look at the numbers. Once again, 20 plus people have it in their carts. Let's run the numbers in Everbee, and $11,301, 314 monthly sales. Total sales is 5,374 and been selling for 1 year and 5 months. All right. So this again isn't one of my 5, but it's something that would build off of the one that is doing $70,000 and a lot of customers coming through the door. So whenever we have a customer coming in the door, we want to try to sell them more things that are related to what they just purchased. And this would be a great product to do that. Oh, and I'm going to call a quick timeout right here to ask you, if you're getting value from this video, can you do me a favor and smash the like button and give it a little bit of love? I would really appreciate that. All right, so this next one I'm going to share with you, which is product number 3, and actually product number 4 and 5 are going to be in this same niche, and you're going to see how you could take these and you could build off of each and every one of these, but these all are great products. But the last one I'm going to share with you, number 5, that one's doing over $140,000 a month. So stick around. I'm going to share that with you here in a second. But so this product right here, very standard, personalized blanket for kids, a little bit different that it's a little bit maybe of a different fabric. It's got the kid's name all over the blanket. All right. But obviously people are liking it. So let's go ahead and look at the numbers. So here we are. It's only 2 months old and it's doing $21,729 last month's revenue and 621 monthly sales last month. And then total sales, 1,241. So the month before, 600 sales as well. Pretty crazy, okay? So this is just a blanket, a baby blanket. So yes, this is a great product. This one here is doing over $500 per day in revenue, $21,729, which is great. But I've got another product that's going to be a great product that would go along with this, but also doing a little bit more. So here we have a birth month flower gift. And what this is it's a journal. And this journal can be either for the mother, it could be for the child, and it is given to them. And then as they get older, they can write in it, but it's their birth flower. So see, baby blanket, birth flower, and this here just happens to be a journal or something that the mother can document the child's journey, maybe while they're taking a nap. So this one here, great product that can go with the last one. But check this out. Let's go ahead and run those old numbers and let's see what it's doing. $26,320 in monthly sales. Here we are here, estimated monthly sales. Total is 1,316. Total sales so far, 3,947. And then it's only been live for 3 months. All right. So another great product, and it's a journal, but the journal now is positioned for the baby market, or not even the baby market, but the birth month. If someone is interested in their birth month, usually it would be for a mother or a child. And this way here, you can represent the birth flower. But wait, there's more. No, actually there is more. I actually got one more that I'm going to share with you. That's going to blow your mind. That's doing, like I said, over 100 grand per month. All right. And the product that you've all been waiting for, the one that is blowing it out of the water, $146,000 in monthly sales, which is absolutely bonkers. And here it is. And similar to the last product, yes, it is related to birth flowers, but it's a different product. So do you see how you can take one product, the journal, let's say, and let's say that it's doing pretty good. And then you can say, how can I take that same design and put it on another product? And that's all that was done here, is taking that same concept and the same design and then just applying it to a different type of product. And check this out. Once again, it's in 20 plus people's carts. Let's go to the numbers. And there it is, estimated monthly revenue, $146,363, a total of 7,000 sales in 1 month, a total sales, like total, since it's been live, 28,023 sales. And check this out, only 4 months old. Now, one little ninja pro tip I want to give you right now. Whenever I am doing product validation, or even niche validation for that matter, but if I'm looking at a product and I want to see, is there demand for this product? Well, yeah, we can look at sales, we can do all that. But what if we looked at also favorites? So there's 7,000 monthly sales and there's 28,000 total sales, but this here, people favoriting it, it shows that people are actually touching that product, even some of them that didn't buy. So it shows interest in the product. So that's something else that we do when we're doing our product validation. The other thing I want to do, and what's great about Everbee is I can see this stuff, is I want to look here at the tags and I want to see, what is this listing doing well as far as SEO or optimizing for keywords? And I'm going to look through all of these. We have birthday gift, birthday month flower, engraved travel case, jewelry box, jewelry travel case. Now, we all know that, yes, jewelry is selling very well on Etsy. But what if we didn't want to sell jewelry, or what if we couldn't? We didn't have the resources. We could create something like this that jewelry would go in. You see, and we also went after birth flower, so it's not just a standard jewelry case. You see how that works? So that's why whenever I'm doing this research, even doing this type of research for you, I'm getting ideas for my own niche and my own brand. How could we apply this, and how can we take what we're learning and start to use it within our own brand? And not to mention, this is just crazy, and it lets you see the potential on Etsy. There's a lot of money that is going through the Etsy platform, and this is proof of that. All right, well, man, that was fun. I love doing these, and that was 5 products doing over $500 per day. One product, amazing. And if you took all 3 of those last products and tallied them all up, we're talking well over 150 to 175, which is absolutely bonkers. So guys, do me a favor. If you've enjoyed this video, if you've gotten value, smash the like button, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And if you enjoyed this video, I'm going to put another video right here that I did showing 9 products that are doing $100 per day. So check that one out next. And once again, guys, thanks so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video for you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next.